visualize it. I feel it's something to do. Visualize it. I feel it's something to do.
When we think of Christmas past, we usually find that the simplest things give off the greatest glow of happiness, such as waking on a winter morn, pulling up the shade, and finding what lay there the evening before is now covered in shimmering white. It is a Christmas snow, that special snow that awakens the child in all of us. It makes our hearts beat faster and catches us by surprise. It awakens memories of things more wonderful than anything we ever knew or dreamed.
Oh, your hair. It's got snow in it. What's up, guys? I'm Noah from Theme Park Fun, and right now I'm in line for Sierra Sidewinder. We're at Merry Farm. Pretty excited. We just saw a snow show. I'm also with Andrew, Miko, Jack, and Alex. Coaster Blitz, of course. He looks over here. You're on Theme Park Fun. Oh my gosh, but yeah, let's go. To be quite honest, I have no idea where I left off, but I'm just doing this for Christmas. I'm not filming like my day or anything, but they got some stuff down there in the Coaster's Diner or whatever. It has lights on it, so. Yo, they got ornaments out here. Kind of sick. Look at the lights and trees, too.
Let's go.
Okay, Jack.
Ghost Rider. Follow little cranes.
Follow cranes. See? But yeah, back to the Christmas stuff. Trees.
I don't understand. Okay, you could come to Knox and see the Christmas stuff, or you could be listening to Lil Cranes.
Yeah, what would you rather do? Listen to Lil Cranes or go to Knox? Obviously Lil Cranes. I don't even know why we're here.
Well, yeah, why are we even here?
We should be in Queen Bee Zone! But yeah, they got some dope lights. That's like the fountain.
Yeah, it's pretty cool.
That's ice, bro. That's not even water. They got some like lights around the buildings and stuff. So honestly, that's pretty sick. And they got the tree. Sorry, it's kind of shaky. I'm pretty zoomed in, but yeah, we're gonna head on Ghost Rider, go through Ghost Town. So over here in Ghost Town, they have a bunch of different shops. It's actually pretty sick. I just walked by the candy store. That smelled really good. But you could legit just come here and shop all day. It looks dead. Oh, everyone left, so. We're about to get our last ride of the night on Ghost Rider with like literally everyone. It's gonna be pretty fun, so I'm excited. This is the place where they did the snow thing earlier. You guys saw that, obviously. But it's so sick how they have all the lights around here, so it's pretty epic. If you guys can, like, definitely come out here for Merry Farm, or my favorite event's Scary Farm that they do. Or Boysenberry Festival, but no, it's Scary Farm definitely, but come out here for their events. They're honestly amazing. About to finesse that last ride of the night on Ghost Rider. As you can see, it's only our group left, so very hype.
Since you guys took my seat.
Look at this, we're about to get the last ride of the night.
Hi.
Hype.
I don't know how we did this.
I know, this is sick. Got some people down there. Well, the people in the back just left and now we're getting a Zen ride.
What?
Bye.
I don't deserve a senpai. Is that what you said?
Bye. Guys, we just got off one of my best rides ever. Oh my gosh, hold on. It's empty.
Oh.
It was amazing. Tim?
Yeah.
Yeah. Wow.
Yeah, we were the only ones in the back, and there were 2 other ride operators in the front.
Yeah, they were just ride-offs, but
That was it.
it was insane. We went quiet for a second. It was just, you could just hear the train. It was so cool.
No screaming, just the ride running across the tracks, and it was really cool.
Yeah, it's really cool. Like
Yeah.
you never get rides like this on that. Like this thing always has a line, so pretty crazy, pretty hyped. So just thank you. You too. You guys want to see how dead Knott's is right now? Yeah, we're the last ones in the park. Where is everyone?
By ourselves, look, there's a few security
Yeah,
We're the only ones in the park right now, I'm pretty sure.
pretty sure.
It is currently 10:45.
45. Don't know if you guys
Park
can
closed
see that.
45 minutes ago.
Holy! Look at this. This part of the park is always slammed, or at least for me.
It's only like this on weekdays, and that's like
That's
on the
right,
deadest
yeah.
of weekdays too. Like, this is crazy.
Yeah.
So I'm talking quiet because there's no one here. I don't
I
want
mean,
to
yeah,
disrupt the
it's kind of.
atmosphere.
But yeah, this is so cool.
No.
Look at that. No line for the bathroom. Go ahead, take advantage of it.